Are you studying in class 11 or in class 12? And searching physics video lectures or online classes? Are you able to give huge amount of fee in these coaching, but not sure about the quality of teacher or his way of explanation? Then, listen this video till end. In this YouTube channel, you will get video lectures by our physics teacher, who has teaching experience of nearly 20 years in a reputed national coaching. By seeing his detailed theory lectures, you will get 100% satisfaction, and you will not only excel in your board level exams, but also you will be able to solve GMains and advanced level problems. You can also get good rank in your medical entrance exams such as NEET and IIMS. If you are thinking about any type of fee, hidden or after 1 or 2 videos, then you are 100% wrong. Because this YouTube channel is being started for helping those students who are not able to afford large amount of coaching fee. What you have to do, just subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. By this, you will get the detailed theory and numerical videos just after release. What extra you will get from this channel? Here you can download the physics books and notes through the links given. The frequencies of video lectures will be 3 to 4 lectures in a week. This will complete your physics syllabus on time. The language of all videos will be Hindi and English mixed, and the language of notes or writing work is in English. After some time, we are planning to start the lectures and notes in Hindi language.